Hello everybody, this is Andy Dillon. Just to keep you all informed and let you all know, this is going to be my final and my last video throughout my entire video recording career. It's coming close to the middle of August, and I'll have bigger things to focus on, like going back. I'll be returning to college in September, and I have bigger things to focus on. I won't have time to do much more with training videos anymore. So that's why I want to do one more last video right now and do it today. So now this sheet in Excel is called Sales Bonus Calculations. Now there's a chart already created, but once I get all the answers in, there will be answers for every single person that is in this chart. Now, to start this off, we'll go to sales income and start with the income earned. How to get that answer is just equals E4 multiply E4, and that's my answer there. You see there's already a total average, mean, and the maximum that's already created on the sheet, but the answers were automatically gotten in because I got the answers summed the income earned. So that's sales income complete. Now let's go to the next sheet called sales bonus. Now there's all pretty much the same now. This time there is income earned again, but there's also sales target, there's target met, there's bonus, and there's bonus. And now these will require sum tables. Now income earned is the same as the sales income table, just E4 multiply E4. Now the sales target, this requires an H lookup table, so equals H lookup. C4 comment table, comment 2, and that's my answer, hundreds. Now let's move on to target met. Target met requires an if statement, so equals if E4 less than G4, comment, that means no, or else yes. If you want to get in, some of the answers are yes, some of them are no. But most of them are the yes answers. That's the target met for the customer and the salesperson. So bonus requires an if statement again, but it's a long one that requires percentages as well. So equals if F4 more than 5,000, 20%, and then if again, F4 more than 3,000, and that'll be 10%, or else 0 with 2 brackets. And there you go, you get 20% or 10%. That's the bonus for each salesperson. There's one more to go, which is going to be bonus amount. That's equals I4, which is bonus, multiply F4, which is income earned. So there's no bonus amount for the salesperson. Now, only two people did not get any bonus amount because they did not get any bonus at all. Now let's check the sales chart. Yep. Now it's all updated. The chart is now finished and done, and that's their sales income. I just want to maybe do a border around the sheet before I finish off. The border for the sales bonus sheet. Right now. And there we go. Right, and then okay, and then I just pick the colours. Pick a suitable colour or suitable to the sum tables. And then pick a suitable text colour. Yeah, that's the colours edited. The chart is completed and the sales income is completed, and the averages and the mean, the total and average, they're all completed. So that's the end of the spreadsheet, and this is now officially the end of my entire training video career. I enjoyed all these video recordings very well. It's been a great experience. I love doing the teaching, I love doing the work, I love doing every single bit. I enjoyed every minute of what I did during those past few months of my training video career. Very good. I'll now be focusing on now going back to college and do advanced business management, and I'll be focusing on the bigger things in the future. So that's the very end of this video. This is basically the end of my entire training video career, and this is the end of Excel. I did PowerPoint, I did Payroll to Source, I did Access, but this is the last video of Excel. So I wish you all very luck in your future endeavours, and good luck to all of you in the future. It's been a pleasure for me to helping you and teaching you all for my sheet of what I can do for all of you to help you. So if you want to do Excel, if you want to do spreadsheets or presentations or do payroll, just watch my videos and then you might learn a lot or two for what I did. Very good. I did very good things, very good challenging things of these past few months. So I hope you all enjoyed this video very well. I wish you all the success to every single one of you in the future, and I wish myself very well. So thank you all for watching. See you all very soon, and good luck to all of you. Adios.